Yes, now. Bless now. There's ROCKSTEADY, King of the Pit. TV devoted to my man Gary, the 90s connoisseur, checking in once again with an exciting listen. Mr. Bungle. I'm happy to tick Mr. Bungle off of my list and say I'm aware of the music that this act produces, because I've always seen the name but I've never checked the music out. The Air Conditioned Nightmare is track number 4 of 10 on California. Let's jump in. Come on. Sounds like Tame Impala. Bong. How many albums did this have to put out? If you see in the related videos, you got Key of Gibbs or Jeeves. Old composer reacts to Mr. Bungle, the Air Conditioned Nightmare. Let me tell you something, right? I spoke on this on the other one, on the other playlist. If you're on the Patreon, you know, if you're not interested in the bands, I don't expect you to watch the other listen throughs. It's none of your interest, obviously, if it doesn't fulfill your musical desires. So I don't expect you to sit through and waste your time watching them. So I'll just re-clarify what I said on this one. I want to give all due respect to this channel. Key of Gibbs or Jeeves or whatever. Looks like a cool guy. All the best, most respect, but the idea of putting like old composer in there is manipulating you as a listener, right? Because it's misguiding you into believing this person's got something valuable to say purely down to the fact that he is portraying himself as a professional of sorts. Old composer, what the fuck does that mean? Do you know what I mean? My granddad could be an old composer if he wrote a few poems back in the day. What the fuck does old composer mean? But people flock to it like flies because they themselves are not composers of any sort. So they automatically deem this as a title of status and something to admire towards, you know. But the reality of such is he might just be as common as you and I, you know. So don't believe in that. And that goes with like scientific tests and stuff and political statements that are put out there when they say 60% of professionals believe in this. What does that mean? What does that mean? 60% out of 5 of your friends who you've told to abide to this test in a particular way has given us this result. It's irrelevant. It means fuck all. Come on. Don't fall for the nonsense. Don't be manipulated. Come on. Awesome. Really good. The transitions are awesome, man. It's like flipping a radio station. This act, I don't know if I'm being influenced by the idea that it's called Mr. Bungle, but it seems like it's stemmed from the brain of one individual. Yeah, they've got session musicians in and a band and whatnot, but it seems like this derives from one person's mind, you know? This seems like a one-person project to me. We've got different composers each and every track. We've got Bar McKinnon on this one.
Sledgehammers of truth pound the iron heart of sin. Bloody smiling, visualizing, long-lasting dreams drying up. Walking on the weekend, by suicide,
Ooh.
where's my rainbow? Where's my halo? There's my
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Decent tune. Yeah, decent tune. It feels almost like a downplay to call it a tune. You know? It's a piece. It's a artistic expression. It's good music. It's good music. I'll tell you what though, I can't believe people who sit around and actually listen to this, and I say that respectfully, because this is beyond easy listening. This isn't easy listening. You have to enjoy the experience. You know, it's all over the shop. It's honestly all over the shop and so experimental and so like one size doesn't fit all that. I don't know. The idea that's blagging my head is it's not bad at all, is it, right? The idea that's blagging my head is actually quite the positive. That's more than likely what this band would like to have provoked within me. As Moriendi is the title of this next one. Let's jump in, yeah?